Hello and welcome to the course. Now, before we begin, I just want to say a couple of words. Firstly, thank you so much for purchasing this lecture series. I worked really hard on it. Blood, sweat and tears all went into its production. Now, with that said, I've put too much work into this for it to be a waste for you. Therefore, while I have lectured on this topic, I've done one-on-one classes or seminars and other things like that. This whole online tuition thing is a bit new to me, okay? So I'm not used to having such a disconnect with my audience. So, as you go through this course, if anything sort of flagged up, if you've got any concerns or you think that improvements could be made. Now, I want you to sort of treat me gently, don't lambast me with sort of negative reviews. Please get in touch through the multitude of channels. I'm on Twitter, I'm on Facebook, you can get me via email. You can even get me through the Udemy platform. All I'm saying is that I want this course to continue to improve. I want your learning experience to continue to improve. And of course, I want my teaching skills to continue to improve. So I can only do that with your feedback. Now, all it leaves for me to say is thank you once again, and let's go. Go on, get in there, you scamp.